2025 Mercedes-Benz Spectre, a futuristic marvel. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Spectre is a bold leap into the future of luxury performance, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology, aerodynamic excellence, and electrified power. With its stunning exterior design, premium interior, and high-performance engineering, the Spectre is set to redefine automotive innovation. Exterior design, sculpted for elegance and speed. Mercedes-Benz has crafted the Spectre with an aggressive yet sophisticated aerodynamic silhouette. The front fascia is dominated by a sleek, illuminated grille that merges seamlessly with adaptive LED headlamps, creating a futuristic light signature. The low-slung hood, sculpted body lines, and an active rear spoiler enhance both aesthetics and performance. The side profile features flush door handles, frameless windows, and bold character lines that flow towards the rear, emphasizing the car's electric grand touring nature. Large 23-inch aerodynamic wheels, wrapped in low-profile performance tires, add to the vehicle's commanding presence. At the back, OLED taillights stretch across the width of the car, while a diffuser-integrated bumper reinforces its sporty yet elegant stance. Interior design, the pinnacle of luxury and technology. Step inside, and the 2025 Spectre's cabin greets you with a mix of ultra-premium materials and state-of-the-art technology. The floating dashboard houses a full-width hyperscreen infotainment system, integrating AI-driven controls for navigation, climate, and entertainment. A yacht-inspired center console flows seamlessly, offering wireless charging, biometric security, and customizable ambient lighting. The seats are wrapped in sustainable leather alternatives, featuring heating, cooling, and massage functions. Mercedes-Benz has also incorporated an augmented reality AR heads-up display, projecting real-time driving data onto the windshield. Advanced active noise cancellation ensures a whisper-quiet ride, making the cabin a sanctuary of tranquility. Under the hood, electrified power and performance. The Spectre is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, producing an estimated 800 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque. The 0 to 60 mph sprint is expected to be under 3 seconds, rivaling high-performance EVs. A next-gen 120 kWh solid-state battery provides an impressive 450-mile range, while ultra-fast DC charging allows 80% charge in just 20 minutes. Mercedes-Benz has equipped the Spectre with adaptive air suspension and four-wheel steering, ensuring a blend of dynamic handling and ride comfort. The AI-powered driving assistant enables Level 4 autonomous driving, making long journeys effortless. Final thoughts. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Spectre is a game-changer in luxury EVs, offering breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance. Whether you're drawn by its futuristic aesthetics, ultra-luxurious interior, or high-powered electric drivetrain, the Spectre is a statement of what the future of mobility looks like. Stay tuned for more updates on this masterpiece from Mercedes.